Today we are discussing divisions, 4-type problems and 4-digit divisions also. Let's see the first sum. First one is divide 54 balls among 6 boys equally. Divide 54 balls among 6 boys equally. How many will each boy get? How many will each boy get? Let's see. Divide 54 balls among 5 boys. Divide 54 balls among 6 boys. How many each boy get? Each boy get how much? Okay, let's divide 54 divided by into 6 is equals to, let's see the sum, 54 and this is a dividend. This is a dividend. What is this? Dividend. All of you listen carefully. And what is this? This is divisor, right? Okay, understood? What is this dividend? What is this divisor? And what is the answer? That is quotient. Let's divide this. What is the divisor? Here the divisor is 6. 6 is cancelling 54. Yes. How many times? 6 nines are 54. 6 nines are 54. Subtract both numbers. The remainder is 0. What is R means? Remainder. R means remainder. So, in 6 boys are getting, each boy is getting 9 balls. Each boy is getting 9 balls, right? These 6 boys are getting 6 9, there is 54 balls. Understood? This is divisor, this is dividend, 9 is the quotient, 0 is the remainder. So what is the answer? Quotient is the answer. So 9 is our answer. So each boy get 9 balls. Each boy get 9 balls. Understood, children? Let's see all of you. The second one. Manas bought 84 oranges. Manas bought 84 oranges. He gave 6 oranges to each girl. How many girls got oranges? Let's see again. Once I am reading the question. Manas bought 84 oranges. How many oranges Manas got? 84. He gave 6 oranges to each girl. In each girl get 6 oranges. Each girl is getting 6 oranges. How many girls got the oranges? In each girl get 6 oranges. How many girls are got the oranges? Let's see. Manas got 84 oranges. Manas bought how many oranges? 84 oranges. Each girl bought 6 oranges. 1, and see here also 1 digit. 6 is smaller than the 8. Okay, so 6 is a small number, 8 is a big number. So 8 below numbers are cancelled in 6 table, right? Yes. So what is the 8 before number? 7. 7 is cancelled in 6 table? No. 7 before number is 6. 6 is cancelled in 6 table? Yes. How many times? 1 time. So 6 1 is 6. Minus 8 minus 6 is 2. And what is the number? 4. 6 is cancelled in 24. Tell me. Yes. In which table? How many times does it cancel in 24? 6 4s are 6 4s are 24. Okay. If you do the minus, the resultant is 0 remainder. So the answer is 14. How many girls got oranges? 14 girls. How many girls? 14 girls. 14 girls. 14 girls are got oranges. Understood, children? Once all of you note down this question. All of you see the question. 756 divided by 8. What is the symbol? Divided by. Okay, 756 divided by 8. And quotient equal to how much? Remainder equal to how much? That means dash. Next, the second question is 8724 divided by 6. Quotient equal to dash. R equal to R means remainder equal to dash. Let's do the first one. Take 756 in the dividend place. And every time I am reminding you, the middle number is a dividend. And the left side bracket is divisor. What is the divisor? 8 is a divisor. 8 is a divisor. See here, how many digits are there in divisor place? 1. In the dividend also, you should take first 1 digit. See, is it big or small? If it is small, take another number. Here we have a small number. Okay, 8 is big, but this one is 7 is small. That's why we are taking another number. 2 digits. We are taking 2 digits. That is 75. Now see, 8 is cancelled in 75. Exactly. No. See, 75 before number. What is the 75 before number? 74. Is it cancelled in 8? No. 73? No. 72? Yes. 8 9s is 72. 72. Let's do the subtraction. 5 minus 2 is 3. 7 minus 7 is 0. And we have 6 here. That's why you put 0 and take 0 here. Now, take the 6 down. Okay, take the 6 down. And see here, 8 is cancelled 36. Says or no? No. 36 before number? 36 before is 35. Is it cancelled? No. 34? No. 33? 32? 8 4s are how much? 8 4s are 32. Let's subtract these two. 4 and 3 minus 3 is 0 and 4 is the remainder. Let's multiply 98 into 8. 98 into 8. 8 8 is 64. 8 9 is 72 plus 6. 72 plus 6 is 4 is 32. Right? 8 9 is 72 plus 3 is 75. Yes. Okay. Now you understood? I wrote here 8. But 8 is not a correct answer. What is the correct answer? 4. 94 is the answer. We got 7 after add 4. First multiply these two numbers. Okay. after add 4. 4 plus 2 is 6 and 5 and 7. What is the answer? 756. So, like this, you solve the answers. You multiply, what is this? Divisor into quotient. First multiply divisor into quotient. After you add remainder, you will get the dividend. You will get the dividend. If you get the correct dividend exactly, that sum is right. If you get a wrong number, your sum is wrong. Everyone should check like this your division. Okay. In the first case, I wrote here 8. We will get a wrong number. I am just telling, if you are right here, any wrong numbers, your sum will be wrong. If you write the correct number here, your sum will be correct. Okay. Let's take this number 8724. Okay. Let's see. What is the divisor? 6. 6 is cancelled 8. No, not exactly, but before numbers will be cancelled. 6 how many times cancelled in 8? 1 time. 1 6 is 6 minus 2. And take the 7 down. 6 is cancelled in 27? No, 24 will be cancelled in 6 table. 6 4s is 24. Again, do the subtraction. Is 3. Take 2 down. 60 is cancelled in 32? No, 30 will be cancelled in 6 table. 6 5s is 30. Okay, let's do the subtraction. Next we have 4. Down it. 6 is cancelled in 24? Yes. How many times? 4 times. 24. The remainder is 0 remainder. Here I already told you. Again do like this. Multiply, divide into quotient, divide is 6 and the quotient is 1454. The remainder is 0. Multiply these two numbers in one side. 6 4s is 24. 6 5 is 30 plus 2 is 32. 6 4s is 24 plus 3 is 27. 6 1 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay. I wrote here correct answers. I didn't write any 6, 7 here. I wrote just 4. That is the correct one. That's why you will get the correct answer. 8724. Did you get it? Yes. The remainder is 0. If you are add 0, the same number will come, right? That's why I didn't do this. Okay. So you are got the correct answer. So everyone must do like this. This is called a division rule. This is called a division rule. You multiply, divide into quotient and add remainder. Now tell me here which is the quotient. 94 is a quotient. What is the quotient? 94. And what is the remainder? Here 4. Okay. See here also. What is the quotient? 1454. And what is the remainder? Remainder is 0. Understood, children? You do this type of sums. Some sums are there in your textbook. Everyone must practice like with a division rule like this. Multiply, divide, into quotient plus a remainder.